Just.
Alright.
Oh, that's not very nice of you.
I switch it to a...
Hey, I can do that too.
I want to clone that immediately. So that's
Again?
open fire.
That's default this time.
You're a
Okay.
kind woman.
Go.
You don't have to toss refrigerators at people.
Babe, you're on top of me doing the things you keep throwing
I'm
at
sure
me.
you're a kind, respectable, intelligent woman. There is no need for such violence.
I'll give him for saying
Yeah,
all that
well-
shit. I'll kill it.
You know, you just gotta have a little release every so often.
Remember, you will be shocked.
It gets
thought
really
I had it
tiring
out. I'm
being
scared.
too nice to people.
Oh,
Listen,
run.
man. You're a kind, intelligent,
You're a good
patient
person.
woman. You're a good person. You don't have to be the bad guy. Hold on, find the way, turn it on.
Well, I'm always the good person too often, so...
Please. I have to use my words here for the refrigerators do not talk to me. They only murder me. I can only wish to
Like
reach
Silver?
the person who
I wish we had
actually
Silver
needs them.
over here, because that would be funny. I'm Silver.
I can only
I was
talk to
hoping
the
he'd
person.
come back on, but I think that he's gotta work tomorrow, so he's not gonna come back on.
I can only talk to said person who shoots the refrigerators. For the refrigerators themselves are cruel and unjust.
Nope.
Oh, Lane!
That is what my friend.
Pokemon, Pokemon, Pokemon.
You know music. You're new. My new termination.
Let's go.
How did that not take you down?
You know Spooky Month. Your life ends today.
See, now she's finally experiencing what I'm experiencing with you death-defying motherfuckers. With you.
Giggle, giggle.
Say that again.
Sin.
I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it.
Kill him.
I'm full of shit. I'm sorry. You're a great and kind woman. Holy
Wrong
shit.
target.
I did not mean it.
Dude,
You might
thanks
wanna
for the
move. I think
table.
next one's a
Now I get to
fridge.
kill him on a table.
Okay, listen. We have a
Shoot
table
him.
to discuss intellectual terms with. No. Let me out. Let me out. I'm fucking stuck in here, man. Please. Bam, please. Bam, listen.
Go
We
to
can
the
come to a
refrigerator.
compromise. We can come to an agreeable compromise that will suit the both of us. Man, no, you know. No.
Auburn, how are you still alive?
Looking for answers.
Here's your answer.
Seriously, you're gonna die. Bye-bye.
Dadgummit.
Get- Have nicer words to say next time.
I have to use my diplomacy because apparently the fridges, they don't listen. They only hurt me.
I have claw.
That didn't work either, though. I still got murdered, so shit.
Bam.
When in doubt, diplomacy it out, bro.
Okay, who gave me the giant gun?
It's infected and it's
I
all
wonder what I'm
on the
supposed to do.
love in the bottle, love in the bottle. Nothing comes in the bottle. But that's a car.
Every breathing moment I am inside this cage, I am terrified for my well-being.
That's another car.
No escape.
Nope, that is a car, and I am stuck here. I am stuck here.
Good luck playing.
Last time.
But why not go to Vamp? She's undefended. She has nothing. she's not getting attacked.
Now hear me out.
It doesn't have to be this way.
Hey, what's your name?
It's scrubzy.
If you script
My name is Sin.
Watch your name!
Vamp.
Ah, pigs! I'm stuck! Fuck you, man! No, fridge, please! I didn't mean it! No!
Universe doesn't want me to be destroyed.
Fucking glitch.
Vamp, any
Yes.
last words?
What's your name?
I'm caged in like a box.
My name's... I'm a metal robot. You think I
What the
give a
fuck,
shit about my
Universe?
own
You said
damn
fuck me
name?
first,
But you hit me with the fridge for saying fuck her back? What type of shit is this?
In a bottle.
What is this divine retribution as judgment? No.
Table.
No.
Manners. Bye-bye.
Fuck, I tried. No.
At least you're the last one.
Good.
I was, but I'm still like,
Good.
why does the universe hate me? You said fuck me first, but I get hit with the fridge for saying fuck you back. What the fuck?
The
Vamp,
fridge
did I do
knows.
what is considered
The universe is playing favorites. This is bullshit.
Vamp, did I do good?
Yes, you did good.
Good. Yay. Should I continue to do my robot-ish voice?
It's up to you.
Fucking
Okay, I'm gonna...
insurmountable rage I feel when I get called an insult and the fridge targets me instead.
Uh-oh.
I'm going to continue in this accent for the rest of the game. And if I
Of course
die,
it
gotta
goes
get
after
your
me.
death.
you're a robot.
I gotta get your
boss.
Houdini death-defying ass out of here first. I'm sorry.
You can never kill me. Giggle, giggle.
Uh-oh. I can't run the risk of her pulling some Houdini shit and surviving. I can't.
Wait a minute, I'll just pull some dumb shit and survive. Thank you for the idea.
Back a skull.
He did.
No.
Thank you for the dumb idea. You have not succeeded.
Let's fucking go.
Technically, you did not succeed. I
I
killed
gotta
myself.
check if she's alive down there, knowing her eyes.
Hi, I'm over here.
Alright, just making sure.
Giggle, giggle.
You pull out
talk
some
way too many
Houdini
rounds to
shit.
kill me.
What's that,
Fucking
Chris
wizard
Angel?
witchcraft you've got
Chris
going
Angel.
on. Fucking mind freak shit you got going on over there. I'm gonna turn around. You're in the fucking room with me
Giggle,
somehow. You're in the-
giggle. What do you have against pizza? You up there, would you like some pizza?
Can I make this jump?
I can.
What is wrong with you? I'm asking if you want pizza. Would you like pizza?
Nah, I'm good.
I'm going to go shove it up their throat then. Face me like man, not coward. All your attacks have failed. Face me like man.
Yeah,
I
but
thought
you're
that
stuck
fridge
now,
was
so-
about to fucking curve and hit me. I was about to scream. I
No,
was
I'm
about to lose my shit. Well,
Life taken. You go to jail.
this is fucking bullshit.
Would you like pizza?
Would you like it glockinated? Would you? Great question.
Like the
Wait, I'm
character.
dead.
I get stranded on an island and shipping container. My favorite. I don't remember ordering anything online, but you know, thanks. Holy shit, Amazon fucking Prime has gotten real quick
Please
nowadays.
just keep shooting and make sure I'm totally dead.
Yeah, we fucking have to. We fucking.
Look at this. This
Oh,
could
no.
kill you.
Fucking devil,
Small.
you healed. You fucking
Wait,
made.
never mind. It's too small.
I mean, my boyfriend
what-
is Satan.
Why are you
so-
again?
I don't know what fucking deal you struck up, but it was fucking wizardry. I'm telling
Kill
you.
me yet. I have a question for you.
Huh?
I have a question. Do not shoot. I have a question for you. Have you
I've seen
paid
fucking
your
Houdini pull
taxes?
that shit out of his ass, lady.
I knew it. This place goes up in flames now. You failed to pay your taxes. Giggle, giggle. Vamp, he failed to pay his taxes. Permission to set him on fire.
That's up to you.
Taxman.
Permission allowed. Commit arson. Arson failed.
Check out this fucking Houdini shit she got going on. I can so make that jump. I cannot make that jump.
No. You failed to pay taxes.
I have very little
You
other
must-
option. Ah, fuck.
You have failed to pay taxes. Where is bomb? There is bomb. You need to run now. You need to.
Man, I thought fucking mind freak.
You have not
ended
paid your
years ago. It's not this
taxes.
fucking little
Nothing
magician over here. We
matters.
got-
You did not pay taxes. You must burn. He is skipping his taxes. Kill him. Take rock. Take.
This motherfucker's got friends on the other side, like, bro.
I got friends on the other side.
You do, I believe it. Holy shit.
There we go.
You have not paid your taxes.
Oh, no.
Take that. Vamp, I have a problem with my gun.
Shit. Holy shit, you're a wizard, Vamp.
Here, would like to hold
I'm
the
a
gun.
what? A wizard.
A wizard in
You would
disguise.
hurt.
Oh,
Fucking, I
You know
know
what the
shit.
whole
No,
gun is
no, fucking. Fucking Hogwarts
just,
is looking to
see
recruit,
what's
bro.
up.
Let me have a little juice.
Fucking Hogwarts is looking to recruit.
Hey, we need you to kill the Dark Lord,
A
bro. With your
grenade.
fucking magic tricks.
It's not Avada Kedavra, it's nah. That's the powerful spell.
You fucking hell, I'll believe anything you tell me with the shit you've been pulling off. I'll believe. Death beamed.
Magic spray. Blindness.
You female,
Death
Goku Black.
beam. I think that's Kefla.
No.
yeah.
What? Oh.
I
Blindness.
didn't know gun was a spell.
That's the
Barely.
Kill him.
Yeah. I may be out of mana, but I am out of options, Dark Lord, but I...
You. Vamp, answer this one
Okay, it's just
question.
classic.
Yes.
Have you paid your taxes?
Yes, I have actually.
You get to live. The other two.
Are you
Have a
fucking
question
kidding me? I looked away for half a second. Why does this happen to me? I'm a good person, I swear.
Do this then. You're a good
I mean,
person.
I think you
Have
can
paid
make
your
that
damn
jump.
taxes? Answer this. I have a question
In
for
the
both
name
you.
of whoever the fuck the main character of Yu-Gi-Oh is, in the heart of the cards. Fuck.
I have another question for you.
Yes.
Have you sinned?
the heart of the cards was not enough.
How can I answer that question?
I'll fucking play.
Answer it by telling me what you've done today.
Shield.
Well, I was with my boyfriend and my VR kids today.
You also went to a bar. I was allowed to sin.
I'm always at a bar. What are you talking about? You realize what character I am?
Oh, you're already a demon. Take that, demon. I have explosives. What are your bullets shooting me? Are you still alive?
She's fucking Houdini. What do you think? She's fucking finger
She's
beat.
eating there. She's over there.
Fucking Houdini shit. I'm telling you.
I'm Houdini, motherfucker. I just appeared here. I didn't even bloody die.
Every game I play
Bam,
that involves luck,
am I
shit
not?
never goes my way.
Man, do you like how I can just do a robotic voice for half a second before going back to my normal one?
Place.
Then something just snapped. Something inside of me. I didn't care anymore. I didn't care about being better than Kakarot. I didn't care about being a Super Saiyan. I didn't care if I lived. I didn't care about anything. And then it happened.
Bam, it's a Oh my
There's
god.
that fucking bridge. I was wondering when it was gonna return. There's the...
You cannot shoot me. Convenient. You missed. You missed. You missed. Convenient.
Turning.
I'm a little lower.
Holy fuck.
Oh,
How are you falling off?
Okay, this way you're. Damn, shoot me, damn it.
Yeah, you didn't try. You went Lion King on him.
Long live the king.
Babe, Secret Service, now put your hands up. Conveniently you missed. Convenient how I'm able to stop your bullets from hitting me. Aha, you cannot see me. Conveniently, I blinded myself.
How are you still alive?
I don't understand. If this was me, I would have been dead 30 years ago. Now watch that it's me. I'm gonna get my shit blown and smooth off. I'm gonna get my shit. I don't have hope. The first item was a fridge.
No! I danced while she was still shooting me.
Dude, it's always the fridge. Never trust the fridge.
Then why do you trust breathing?
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Convenient plot point. My name is Bob. It would be funny if that was true. Damn, your time's up for killing him.
Let's fucking go. I beat the witch with her magic.
You mean you beat Vamp, who could continuously shoot you with magic?
I'm surprised her friends from the other side didn't come out and just drag me to hell.
It's a distinguished duck.
Thank you.
Pissed off a dragon.
Restriction, heavy pass only. Fuck.
Only.
Holy fuck, what is this bullshit? What the fuck? You fucking kidding me, dog? What the fuck is this? Dog. Dog, no.
Please.
Please. No, it's a car dealership. No.
Vamp, how are you still breathing? Oh!
'Cause I got friends on the other side.
I'm telling you.
Literally! It was me today, Vamp!
Ah!
Hey. You lost!
What the? What fucking branch of Hogwarts are you from?
Slytherin is fucking. Do I have to sign up? The Sword and Hat put me in the wrong fucking shit. Apparently, what the fuck? What do I have to do to acquire such magic? Who do I have to kill?
You confused both of us.
What?
I said I would
Don't
teach you the ways, Young
understand.
Skywalker, but you wouldn't listen.
I shouldn't. Fucking. I'm
Small
not
knife,
feeling
you
like
didn't
the
stand
chosen
kill, you
one here.
stand still. How rude, you didn't stand still and I was gonna stab you with this.
Oh my fucking god!
How'd I miss?
Hey, let's go, duck time.
Duck, target the witch.
Right in the witch.
Why does
It
this
went
one
from,
have default?
trash
Hey, she's too
compactor to witch hunt.
Yes, you're my first enemy. Let's go. If she somehow survives this, I'm done.
Come on, survive. Bye-bye.
Let's go.
Bye-bye.
Biggest opposition is out of the way. The one with fucking devil magic.
Devil magic.
She's got fucking Hogwarts premium. They didn't teach me this shit at schooling.
You went to the wrong school, my friend.
Apparently, bro, I wasn't taught the right spells.
Hallelujah. You cannot kill me forever.
Dark magic.
Ma'am, how do you continuously survive death?
Death doesn't want me yet.
Your answer the questions the painful way or the easy way?
I done told you death doesn't want me yet.
Do you know why death does not want her?
I'm taking your magic ass to D&D night. You're gonna be my new fucking maid. Fucking all the magical energy you fucking got going on.
Jill, I torture
Telling
her.
you, bro.
I will torture you for your how you are so magic.
Repeat that again. But this time, say it with your chest.
Yeah, please do.
Dude,
The class is fucking curious how you're doing this shit.
Just repeat it again.
I guess at this round I gotta go use the restroom.
Alright.
I'll be
Me
back.
again.
Duck, point the gun at the witch. Burn the witch.
Watch
What
her
did I
work.
get hit by?
If I hit it this time, maybe. No. No. No.
Burn the witch.
No.
Burn the witch.
No. No. Kidding me? She's a wizard. She sold her soul
You
to
are
the
a
devil to be
wizard.
good at this. I refuse to fight her anything else. How?
Minigun.
They're protecting her. I can't.
I will drill
I do
through
not
the
possess
floor.
the power.
You are not worthy.
I'm not the chosen one. Holy fuck.
Vamp has somehow become invincible. You have.
Quack.
I have drill. What do you have?
Fucking devil magic. That's what she has.
Oh yes,
I'll fucking
You are
tell
a
what
witch.
she has.
the weakness of a witch
Friends
is
on the other
fire.
side.
Abex.
Welcome back.
This went from ranting about refrigerators sniping my shit off and to fucking you with devil magic. I don't get it.
How did I miss a drill? How did I continuously miss?
Do you
What's this?
perchance have friends on the other side, lady? Do you perchance?
Maybe.
Kill
You
her. She's
perchance
from that
also have a
song.
fraud as a prisoner. Do you?
Uh-oh.
Hold tight, hold tight. Hold it.
A little froggy prince. I got. How was she climbing that? Fucking Spider-Man.
Target.
The
The witch.
She made that up.
Right, Vampire, you're still here?
No, I'm up here now.
Burn the witch.
I was gonna throw a fucking hissy fit had she made it back up that platform. I would have been the biggest.
Bam, look behind you. I like how you don't even react to a robot with a knife.
Nope. I have no fear.
Like you're like moving like this. You turned around, saw me, then turned back. Oh, cavitation. Hey, it's a knife. What do you have?
No breathing.
Stabs right through your throat.
I don't fucking.
Wait a minute, I'm
believe
metal.
this. Almost every fucking
Hey.
game with luck, I'm just fucking.
Okay, my magic contains the refrigerators. I was just distracting you.
You bitch! You would have hit me. So that's why I swear those refrigerators are fucking curveballs. I'm not hearing it. Everyone else, they go straight for me. They bounce off and trick shot my ass.
Here's pizza. Here's a.
I've never been 200 pumped by a fucking refrigerator in my entire life until now.
Bam, you have questions to answer.
I'm down
Where
here.
is Bam?
I'm down
I'm
here.
sticking with the Grand Wizard of Magic, bro. I'm not. No.
Answer questions. How are you cheat?
No,
How
no.
do you achieve your
I'm gonna
magic?
figure this system. Okay.
Don't ever get hurt.
Watch her still fucking be alive down there. Watch her still.
Nope.
No, I'm right here.
You have to ask interrogation. How are you doing this?
I don't know.
Michael BS.
Not the fridge, man. Not the fridge. Not the... No. Holy fuck. No. This is cruel and unjust. Please. I'm just a sad little man stuck on an island.
You're not a man, you're a
Really?
duck.
Oh yeah. I'm a...
A dead duck.
Fuck, I looked down for a second to check what I was and I was murdered. Fuck.
That's a fridge, nonetheless.
Pokemon evolution. Bigger duck.
Oh, lordy.
Or goose.
That's a goose.
I am a goose. They're both gooses.
You're fine.
I can't see shit.
Sorry.
No conveyor again.
Okay. I'm fucking blind. He's dead.
I fought Vamp.
Okay, wait. Wait. Listen.
I tried.
If I bust a funky move, please, I'll dance.
Well, go
I
on
beg
down.
of you. I beg. I beg
I've
of
been waiting for this.
you. Kind
Oh,
woman,
I
don't
gotta
do
make
this.
a name for myself, yeah. You know how long?
I'm just an innocent goose. I'm just an innocent goose. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. Look, I know how to break dance. Please. Please. It'd be a waste to kill such an evolutionary anomaly. Not the fridge! No!
Vamp did not care.
Okay, so dancing isn't your thing, but listen. I have a goose wife and
Man.
family, please.
Have a goose family and
Questions
gooselings.
to answer.
Please. I have goose eggs at home.
I'm like the Queen of Hearts. I love goose eggs just as much as I love eggs.
No, no, no. No, 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 please. Oh, yeah, no, no, no,
God,
no.
I would run. You fail.
There's just no mercy for the poor goose. No. Damn it. The dancing goose did not win. Fuck.
Man, look at my sword.
Zygarde. Max power.
Okay, this is my last round. I'm getting off here.
I'm sorry, what?
My throat gonna hurt tomorrow from all the screaming at your fucking witchcraft.
Oh,
Oh, for her last round, she gets the killer rush. Killer rush? What?
Killer Russ.
What the fuck did I just say?
I'm gonna Killer Russ all y'all.
Please no. Please. You don't have to be the bad guy.
But I like being the
Yeah,
bad
She
guy.
likes being the bad
No.
guy.
Okay. Okay, well, I've been isolated, so if we could
Why didn't
kindly
you
use
go
our
in the
words-
tunnel?
I couldn't.
Yes, you could have.
I
Hit
could
me.
have.
Yes, you could have.
Oh. Well, I have 4 brain cells, so take that into consideration. You know, you start to lose brain cells after the 6th fridge you've taken on the nose.
Sounds like you are sick.
I am actually.
Yeah, she's fucking sick at this game. She's fucking cracked. She's.
Yeah, I was gonna let you live, but after that,
That was a compliment. That was a.
You gotta see him.
It was kind words. I said you were good at the game.
Oh.
I was being nice.
Yeah, you were nice, and then she shot you with a gun. You shot him with a gun.
Okay, right.
Kindness is not the answer.
Let's do
Violence
You
is
tried to be
apparently the
nice.
answer.
He was trying to be nice, and then he died.